What's going on, YouTubers? It's Matthew Vick, and I got the JoJo Lena, and we are entrepreneurs that make money picking up trash. And JoJo, what are we going to talk about today?
In this video, we're going to give you some tips on just how to be a better business person.
So, you guys ready for the video? Make sure you smash that like button, and let's get this money.
We are at the first job of the day. These people did a bathroom remodel and they found us on a Google search.
So here's the first job of the day, and we got a full load. And all this stuff goes right here. We got a toilet, we got some pallets, a mirror, some cardboard, and some random trash. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
And don't forget, if you watch this video to the very end, you'll find out how much money we made.
Now, job is complete, and if you want to make 20 to 30 to 40 to 50 grand each month, you got to answer that phone. And if you don't answer that phone, you got to call people back. I don't know how many times I get phone calls from people saying that so-and-so never showed up, or this company wouldn't answer their phone, and then me and the JoJo land the job.
Yes, it just seems like this day and time, we have an epidemic of lazy people.
Lazy people.
We have people that don't answer their phone, don't call back, don't show up for jobs, are late for jobs. Even when you walk into Walmart, it's like there's no customer service. People, you ask them questions and they just scratch their head as if you're not even speaking the same language, and you're wondering how they ever got that job in the first place. So I've just lately been really seeming like it's just an epidemic of lazy people.
There are lazy people out there, so make sure you answer that phone, because you never know. That phone call can be a $30,000 or $40,000 job. You never know who's on the other side of that phone. And always email people back. I don't care if it's a job you don't want to do. Maybe you don't do concrete. You get an email for some concrete to get done, and someone wants a bid. Just let the customer know. We don't do that, but we do junk hauling. Always answer people back. It's crazy nowadays how lazy people are.
Yeah, and it's crazy because, you know, if somebody calls you and leaves you a message and it's a job that you don't want to do, just call them back and let them know. It's super, super important to just communicate with people, and don't just pick and choose what job you're going to show up at. I think some haulers have a job scheduled and then a better job comes in and they just go to the better job and they don't even let the other person, like the person, know that they're not coming, or schedule the great job at like an hour later and get the other job done, or send somebody else out. Be able to balance jobs. If you're doing business like that, you're doing it wrong.
Now, you can do 100 things awesome and one shitty thing, and I guarantee those people are going to remember that shitty thing you did. So always communicate and treat every customer the same. I don't care if it's a $119 pickup or a $500 job. Treat every customer the same, and in the long run, it will help you out.
Oh yeah, you'll run a good karma-based business. And when you do good things will come back to you.
And actually right now I've been trying to get a hold of a handyman. I called about 4 handyman up, and we got a couple grand worth of work at the house, and people aren't even calling back. It's crazy. I actually had one guy come over, do some work, and he was so worried about getting paid before the job was complete. The job was pretty much complete, but he forgot one thing. He was supposed to come back by and do some work or finish the job. He never did. So you know what? That's it. I'm done with him, and we'll find someone else. But it's crazy to find people nowadays. Everyone's lazy, it seems like.
It just seems lazy because, like Matthew said, we have a house and we have lots of work for a handyman. And, you know, we've called handymen. We've said, hey, we have, a lot of work at the house. There's money to be made at our house. And we have yet to have a handyman act like He wants to do it.
It's crazy. The roof guy we had was awesome. That's how you want to run a business. Like that youngster, he came by, got the job done. His guys were there. They cleaned up everything super good. That's how you want to run a business. The floor guy we had, he was more worried about getting paid too. And it was like, he did a good job on the floors, but a lot of the detail work wasn't done right. He's so worried about getting paid.
Yeah, he kept calling saying, I'm done. And we would go back and there's all these little things that aren't finished. And we had to call him back multiple times for just details that he completely overlooked.
Like caulking around the fireplace, by the door, all kind of little things that should have been done right in the first place. So make sure whenever you guys get paid, always make sure the customer is happy before you do, and you'll be golden.
Oh, you'll be golden. You'll be golden.
Let me ask you a question, JoJo. What's your prediction of the dump fee?
Oh, the prediction back here?
Yeah, I'm gonna say 130.
122.
122, is that your final answer?
Final answer.
All right, let's see what happens. So look who won. It was a JoJo. Lena, it was 116. She said 122, I do believe.
So we are at the next job of the day, and I'm not sure what they have, but I do know that they live in an absolutely gorgeous home, and I'm gonna show you it.
So we at the next job of the day, and it's all this stuff against the wall in the garage. Now, just like that, job is complete. It was a fast, easy pickup, and damn, JoJo, that's a whole different definition of hauling and balling. That house was off the hook, and plus there were deer in the backyard. And you know what that means? If that was our house, I'll be in the backyard in the blind ready to stick one.
Is it Dale?
Anyways, we're heading to the next job. Are you ready?
Yeah.
So we're at the next job of the day, and it's this pile right here. Check it out. Not that bad. It's this plus that dresser right there. And JoJo, check that thing out.
Super cool.
I want to see you punch that bad boy. So JoJo is the champ, and Mike Tyson, she's ready to fight you next.
That didn't take long, and this is about 3/4 of a load.
Now, just like that, job is complete. And JoJo, that's a perfect example of what?
Of somebody not showing up.
So we got the job, we got it done. The customer said it was super simple the way we did it. We showed up, he wasn't there, he paid over the phone, and he says he's gonna leave a 5-star review. So hopefully he keeps his word. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
Oh, I'm gonna say this one is about 52.
Damn you. I'm gonna say $57. Now let's see what happens. So check it out, the JoJo one, it was 660 pounds at $43.50. Now JoJo, who's the junk hauler of the week?
We clean out junk from Pennsylvania.
And check out them graphics, they're clean. Now it's my favorite time of the day. We're not eating food. We're not getting paid. It's trash talk time. And JoJo, what are we going to talk about?
Well, we're going to talk about the things that are really, really important to help you be the best business person you could be.
Let's talk about it.
All right, so number one, you want to be focused. You want to stay focused. You want to wake up in the morning, have a goal, know what you're going to accomplish, and get it done.
Yeah, wake up with a game plan, drink your coffee, wake up early, and just get out there and make stuff happen and have a game plan.
Yeah, and another thing you want to do is you want to know your strength. Know things that you're really, really good at, and also know your weaknesses and be honest with yourself. What are ways you can improve and do better?
So I'm good at picking the heavy stuff up. JoJo's good at grabbing all the little stuff. So normally we just have her grab the little stuff and I grab all the big stuff, or she helps me grab the big stuff.
Yeah. Know your strengths and know your weaknesses and work them together. And another thing you want to do is, and this is really important, have your pitch ready. Know what you're going to say to customers. Know your prices and just be confident and know your pitch. How do you sell yourself? What are you going to say?
Or so when that phone rings, you gotta know how to answer that phone, talk to that customer, and get that person on the calendar. And when you show up to the job and they add more stuff onto the pile, you gotta know how to hit them with that price right off top. Smile and just hit them with that price with confidence. You don't want to be like, all confused. Know your pitch, know what you're gonna say, and know your prices.
And really, the more you do this, the better you will get at it.
And you'll be a better salesperson.
Another really important thing is don't be afraid to make mistakes. You will learn from your mistakes.
So you might show up to a job and underbid it. Don't get upset at yourself and beat yourself down. Just learn from that mistake and don't ever do it again.
Another good thing to keep in mind is keep it simple. Try to keep your name simple, your logo simple, and you'll stand out more.
So hopefully you guys love this information. If you do, smash that like button and let's get on with the day. Well now, just like that, we are done for the day. And JoJo, how much money did we make in 4.5 hours?
Boom, chicka, wow, wow.
$1,000 plus. I can't believe it. It was a slow day, but just saying that, we only made $1,000, a little bit more than $1,000 and change. That's just crazy saying that. That was a slow day.
Yeah, I'm never, ever, ever gonna complain about making that much money.
So, do you like your new job or what? Your full-time career?
Oh, yeah, I'm kind of digging this full time.
Oh, yeah. So,
Yeah.
hopefully you guys like these videos. If you did, smash that like button and leave a comment down below how much money you guys made today. And hopefully it was more than us. We love all you guys.